I know the pressure and challenges of my position as the main drug enforcer of the country, but I literally broke down into small pieces hearing the information, considering that my security escorts have also been recalled. I feel so helpless and defeated. I was asking myself, is this fight worth it? Why will I gamble the safety of my family? I kept thinking about my daughters and my sons, the youngest being only 12 years old. Tama ba na ba isugal ko ito laban sa mga kalaban na? I wish to explain that my statement yesterday that General Albayalde called me up to know the status of the case of Baloyo and others is the truth. But he also added during the same call request, and I quote, "Sir, baka pwedeng wag mo munang i-implement ang order." Then I asked him, bakit, Oka? Where he answered, kasi mga tao ko sila. Then I answered, Oka, ipare-review ko itong case folder sa legal at ipapatapong ko lahat ng tao mo sa Mindanao. That's all, sir.
You're affirming what was stated to us with Senator Dillon last Saturday when we met.
That's right, sir.
That, can you repeat the statement again in Tagalog again, please?
Sir, baka pwedeng wag mo munang i-implement ang order.
That is General Oscar Albayalde talking to you, wag munang implement yung order. Sir, pwedeng wag munang implement yung order.